Guys, it's Lizard Gaming. We're back with another video. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn bell on to become part of the best family on YouTube, the Lizard Gamers. Today we're doing, you might have noticed this thing right here, but it's, Cody hit me in the eye, but it's a thing where we're
We got all the oranges.
all of those. Yeah, I think we did.
Yeah, we got all the oranges.
And so we're organizing it, and we'll just do a little quick fast mo. Just do it. We're almost done. That time lapse might have been a little bit too fast. We have 3 more. Oh no! No, the yellow!
Oh no, the orange! I'm being really careful grabbing these red ones. Mixed up with the pink.
What? Last one!
The last one! Okay. Mom, look!
We did the last one, see? Now, since we've done this, okay, we are gonna not do time lapse. We're just gonna quick snap to when it's organized. Okay, that's gonna be really cool. Once we did it, I'll show you a view of like 3 angles. Like here, move. Back there, up there, right here.
You didn't do down here. No, down.
And then down here. I think this one preferably looks the coolest. Hopefully you can see it. And if you're noticing we didn't do it in that one, it's because it's not glowing.
It's not glowing.
Glow.
You don't want to say what it is.
And this is, I don't know what it's called. Oh, it's called. Yeah, that's pretty much it. See you later on Lizard Gaming.